Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel Sapna Master IELTS, and this video is for speaking. Actually, the students are not getting 7 bands. हमेशा उनको problem रही है 5.5 या फिर maximum 6 bands they are getting, but they are not reaching 7 bands. क्यों नहीं cross करते? 6.5 7 bands उनके क्यों नहीं आते? किस basis पे नहीं आते? So this video is for those students who are working hard. वो क्यू कार्ड्स भी कर लेते हैं, वो जनरल क्वेश्चंस भी कर लेते हैं, बट व्हाट आर दोज एरियाज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट डू दे गेट बैंड्स? So this is the key to pass your IELTS speaking test. What are the don'ts and what to avoid in this? आप इसमें क्या अवॉइड करेंगे, क्या चीज़ आपको यूज़ करनी चाहिए, what to be careful about, all that is there in the video so that you can get success in your IELTS exam. So quickly moving with the next part, that is tip number 1. I'll be just giving you 3 tips. The first tip is answering the question is yes or no. If you are just answering, you are giving the closed-ended answers, the examiner will not allow you, or he'll not be able to judge you, evaluate you on the basis of yes or no. Suppose the question he has asked you, do you like sports? Now suppose I said yes, I like sports. In that case, the examiner will not be able to evaluate you because he doesn't know your level. He doesn't know what caliber do you have. In that case, obviously the bands will be lesser, the bands will be reduced. You will get a low mark. No matter how good you are, how proficient you are, how much expertise you have in your IELTS speaking, but still you will not be given the band. So what to do in that case? If you are just answering in yes or no and you are not giving the answers, why? This is important, guys. If you do not answer this, what are the reasons? I like sports. I am an ardent lover of sports. I have an inclination towards sports because it keeps me fit, healthy, perfect, fit as a fiddle. और आप और क्या reason दे सकते हो? These reasons are must. I am inclined much towards sports because of the varied reasons. Now, I am not starting my sentence with first of all yes or no. Many students, they do this and they get lower scores. So you cannot do that. आप ये नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? Moving on to the next tip, which is again very important. That is tip number 2. Are you rephrasing the question? Suppose the question is, what is your favorite color? Now this is the question. I say my favorite color is. Now suppose you started your topic like this, so this is wrong because you did not paraphrase, you did not rephrase the question. You just started with the same line as the examiner asked you. I cannot use the same line, same sentence. I have to start with something different. You can also say, black has always been my favorite. You can also start like this. You can also say that out of all the pastel shades, I would like to go towards. फिर आप उसके बारे में बताएंगे. But please do not use the same question because the examiner immediately reduces your band score. He automatically comes to know that this is, you are short of vocabulary, you are short of words, and you are not able to change it. So whenever a question is asked, you need to change the first line of the question. Only then you'll be able to score more. Tip number 3, which is again very important, that your body language, your gestures, your confidence level. Attire doesn't matter much, but your actions, your hand movements, and how do you answer the question, that matters the most. Because if your confidence level is high, obviously the examiner knows that you are able to answer each and every question, and that is why he'll provide you good band score. Okay, suppose he's asking you why this happened, how this happens. Suppose he keeps on asking you the questions in part 3. In that case, your gestures means your body language. It means that your hand movements, your eye contact, nodding of the head, shoulder movement, everything matters. The way you speak, the way you answer, the way you reply, that matters the most to the examiner. Also, as I said, eye contact is the must. If you do this, even if you have the content with you, आपके पास बहुत अच्छा content होता है, but you are not able to speak well, you do not get the band. 7 फिर भी नहीं आते, because I do means I utter a lot, and due to my utterance, due to my hesitation, due to my I do not get 7 bands. And for that reason, I have to make sure that I have that much of confidence level. The personality should speak, guys. आपका confidence level बात करना चाहिए, उससे ही आपके bands जो हैं वो maximum आ सकते हैं. I hope कि ये जो 3 tips हैं, these 3 tips will help you to maximum, and you can score. And this is sure, this is guaranteed that you can score 7 bands if you do like this. Now please write your queries in the comment box, so that I can answer, I can make videos on them. Also, you can contact us for online classes on this number, and you will definitely improve your band score from 5.5 to 7 bands. All the best, guys. Keep looking for more videos. Just subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Take care, everyone. See you in my next video.